Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel in the lecture series of the Kotlin programming. In this session, we will see the if-else statement. So do remember students, if-else statement is very powerful statement. Most of the program we can write a code in the using a if-else statement. So if-else statement is one of the control statements. What does it mean? It will control the flow of execution of the program. यानी जो प्रोग्राम है उसका फ्लो क्या होगा, it will decided by the if and else statement. So basically this is a syntax, right? This is a syntax to write a if-else statement. So we have a if. What is if? If is a keyword. Do remember student, this is a keyword. In if we have to specify the condition, right? So the condition is either true or false. True होगी या false होगी. When the condition is true, the if block statements will be executed. यानी ये part execute होगा. When the condition is false, तो the control is transfer from if to else. If से else पे जाएगा and it will execute this line of code. So basically this if else statement is basically used to do either or, either this or that, this type of logic. There is a one line or one note we have to remember. If after the if there is a only one line of code, यहाँ पे अगर एक लाइन नंबर 1 ही है बस, इसके अलावा नहीं है, तो braces are optional if the number of statements in the corresponding block is 1. And when we have only one line of code after the if or one line code after the else, so we can remove this braces. This curly bracket is an optional at that time. You wanted to write, अगर तुमको लिखना है तो you will write, otherwise नहीं भी लिखोगे तो error नहीं आएगा. So this is all about the basic syntax of the if-else statement. Now let us start with the example part. Right? In example, we will see the basic if-else statement. So start with the code. Now I am using a notepad. Okay. Now the first line of code in Kotlin is your function, and this is your main function. Then within a function we will write a code, right, or a parameter which is an optional. जो यहाँ पे parameter है, it is an optional. You can write that parameter args, that is your arguments, or you can skip that part of the code. So I'm not writing that parameter. Okay, function. So now we will declare a variable first, that is my reader, because I want to read the number from the user. So to read the number we have a class scanner. Within scalar system dot then dash in dash. So now this is a syntax to declare a scanner object. तो स्कैनर बेसिकली डिफाइन, स्कैनर जो है किसके अंदर डिफाइन किया गया है, तो वी हैव टू इंपोर्ट java.util.start. So since scanner is a class, ये एक class है, तो it is defined in java.util package. So we have to import, while we are using a scanner we have to import the java.util package. Now I'm giving a message to the user. Enter the number. User will enter the number. Now we declare a variable num which is equals to sc reader. Sorry, we have a reader object, reader dot. Now scanner में एक method है, function है nextInt, which is responsible to take the integer input. So with the help of this we can take the input from the user. Now we check if this number entered by the user which is mod 2 equals to 0, if this number is divisible by 2, अगर ये नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होता है, at that time we will print a message $num is an even number. So this is an even number. Then in else part we write println and within println dollar num is an odd number. So now this is a code, right, which is basically used to check whether the entered number is even or odd. So now we will save this code. हम लोग ये कोड को सेव करेंगे. ओके, तो we will save this code in desktop, then YouTube. We have a Kotlin code. In this we will write even odd dot kt. So now go to the folder where we save this file. So in the address bar just type cmd. So as we can see here, यहाँ पे वो पूरा पाथ आ गया. तो we compile this code Kotlin c even odd dot kt. So this line is basically used to compile the Kotlin code. Just wait for some time, right? It will compile the code and generates the .class file. As we can see here, there is a no error in the program. Okay, now we execute the program. So Kotlin even odd kt dot class. It will ask the number. I am entering at 13. 13 is an odd. Again we execute the code. I am entering at 12. As you can see, 12 is an even number, 13 is an odd, and 12 is an even. So this is all about the demonstration of the if else statement with the example even odd number. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.